Selamat pagi guys. Hari ini saya nak balik Bakun menjalankan tugas saya. Cuaca hari ini panas. Macam mana semalam guys? Ada mimpi bagus kah? Mana tahu mimpi burung datang rumah bawa bungkusan. Lucu betul lah. Okay guys, saya mau berangkat sekarang. 12 jam mungkin kalau saya slow-slow lah. Stay tune guys.
No sleep, my veins run dry, I'm empty. I can't see, I'm blinded by this concrete. And I should call you, see what you've been up to. I've been wondering, how far did you go in 7 months? I bet you're happy and don't think that much about me. Here I am, not knowing how to move on without you. Without you. Face, same old good anxiety. Where's your irony? Just smile wide, 'cause I got everything I need, but not what I wanted. 'Cause I just wanted you. And if I could, I'd leave the city too. I don't blame you. And I should call you, see what you've been up to. I've been wondering, how far did you go in 7 months? I bet you're happy and don't think that much about me. Here I am, not knowing how to move on without you. Oh, without you. I've been in your waters, been knocking at your door. I know one thing for sure, I've never been so close.